Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a vlog. It's Saturday. We got launch day. It's going to be a great day, and we're going to take you guys along with us. So go ahead and sit back, relax, and enjoy. Oh.
Good morning, y'all. It is Saturday, June 23rd. Like Caleb just told y'all, it is launch day for Monarch. Super excited. We have T-minus 3 hours till launch. But unfortunately, Friday there was no vegan video. Our Wi-Fi went out, and then I honestly just wasn't happy with the footage. It just didn't, I don't know, it just wasn't happy with it, and I want to put out content that I think y'all would enjoy, and it just didn't feel right. Today, I'm going to take you along launch day, but also do a full day of eating vegan style for y'all, so you kind of have that vegan video type thing going on. This morning, I'm hungry. It's 9 o'clock, and I like to start my morning out with a bagel, and the bagels I use are the plain awesome bagels by Dave's Killer Bread. So I'm just gonna pop this in the oven, pop this in the, thank you, the toaster, and I'm gonna put some jam on it. And then I always fill up my Women's Best, like extra large little shaker cup with 2 bottles of water. That's how much it holds. And then I try to drink that within the first hour that I'm awake. Does it usually happen? No, but I said I tried. Woke up with this massive best friend on my face, but you know what? It's okay. I used to honestly be so insecure about my acne, about my face, and I've realized that I'm human. You're human. We all have blemishes. Some people have more flawless skin than others, but I'm just thankful to be here. So I'm gonna rock my freaking little friend here, Philip the Pimple.
Oh my gosh.
We got Philip for the day. So I'm gonna eat, get my face going, kind of pick up this house, and then get ready for the launch. I'm excited. I digress. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm hungry. Okay, guys, it's almost launch time. So for the second meal of the day, I usually like to have some oatmeal. It's currently 11 o'clock, well, almost 12 o'clock. So this is like my, yeah, that's a good one. Early lunch, late breakfast. But I usually like to have oatmeal after I work out. I did not work out today just because I'm getting ready for the launch. I'll most likely do a late night gym session. So I'm just gonna make some oatmeal right now. Do 1 cup of the Quaker old-fashioned oats right here. Oh, almost dropped it all. And then with that, what I like to add is some fresh fruit. So I think I'm gonna do some, yeah, got some raspberries, so I'll just add some raspberries to that. That oatmeal will make you thick too. Get you real thick. Thicker than a snicker.
Let us know when your dog does this. Oh, oh, he's out. He's out.
You're so mean.
Let's see if we can track Russell down.
Russell is okay.
Russ, come. He gets so angry. Let's go find him.
Caleb, leave him alone.
Okay, alright, we're done. He's getting that now, so it's probably best that we leave him alone. Alright, so let's see how the launch is going. Cheyenne?
Well.
Oh, hold on, sorry guys, let me close this door. I don't want you guys to see all our junk. Can barely close the door because it's so junky in there. I know you guys all have those closets too. But anyways, how are we looking?
We're actually looking really good. Literally almost sold out of everything. We're low stock.
Oh wait, hold on. We have a problem.
What?
Guess who came back?
I know.
Look who wants to show up now. Now
What
that
are
the
you
vacuum's
doing?
gone. Russell.
You're a good boy.
He wants to come back. Yeah, now you like me, don't you? Anyway, go ahead.
Yeah, we're low inventory on every single necklace. So this is crazy. Launch is going really good. I'm just really thankful and blessed that y'all support me as much as you do, and you love Monarch as much as you do. And if you don't know what Monarch jewelry is, it's a company that I started a couple months ago. It's a hand-stamped, handmade jewelry company. Their necklaces right here. So they're 14 karat gold filled, which is really good if you have sensitive skin like myself. We have 9 signature necklaces. They're absolutely beautiful. But the reason I created Monarch jewelry is for the simple fact that when I battled cancer, I struggled really bad with, you know, comparing myself to others. And when I had no hair, there was a time where I didn't feel beautiful and I was down to 97 pounds. But as I got further into my battle with cancer and as I just grew as a human and as a person, I realized that I'm still beautiful no matter what. And with Monarch jewelry, every single necklace is hand stamped and hand designed. So each necklace will not be similar whatsoever. They will be uniquely different, slightly in their own way, just like all of us, like you and I. We're beautiful, we're unique in our own way, but that's what makes us us. So when you order from Monarch jewelry, you won't just be getting a necklace. You'll be getting a one-of-a-kind, beautiful, unique design, just like you and I. And I hope that when you see these necklaces or you wear these necklaces, that it's a reminder that, you know what, you are beautiful, you can make it through this day, and you can overcome any struggle that you're facing. So that is honestly why I created Monarch jewelry. It's gonna make me cry because I'm just so passionate about it, and I'm just passionate about letting y'all know that you can overcome your storms and you're not alone. So I'm gonna stop being a baby. I'm gonna finish filling up these orders and I'm gonna get some food. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm eating for lunch right now. Last night I made some vegan orange chicken. I'm kind of trying some recipes for a video idea I have, which is like easy vegan takeout and stuff. And last night I made vegan orange chicken, and y'all, it is delicious. That is what I'm having for lunch. Caleb, how do you like the orange chicken?
I loved it. I'm actually on a weight loss kick right now, and I gained 2 pounds last night because I ate so much.
True story. We're gonna eat this, then we're gonna go head out to see Jurassic World. I'll let y'all know how it is. I'll rate it for you out of a 10. But yeah, that is it. I'm gonna enjoy my food because I'm hungry. Let's go to the movie. Put it in.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. You want water?
Can we put water in there, too? Watch me get you right now.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. Yeah. T-shirt time. Yeah. We're out here in, I think it's called Yarborough. I think that's how you pronounce it. Or Ybor. I think it's Ybor. But we are going to go see Jurassic Park, or Jurassic World, Fallen Kingdom. I'm super excited. I'm going to insert a clip that I filmed for IG. So if you're not following me on IG, make sure you are. So insert the clip right now. Editing Cheyann. Hello?
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, nothing, just folding some laundry. What are you doing?
I just got us 2 tickets to Jurassic World starting in 20 minutes. Can you get here?
Seriously? Yeah, I can be there in like 5 minutes. Yeah, I'll see you there. I'll be right there. Let's buckle up and enjoy this thrill ride, huh, honey?
Let's go.
Just got done seeing Jurassic World. It was about a 2-hour and 4-minute movie. It was pretty long, but it was pretty decent. I give it a 7.5 out of 10. Caleb, what do you give it?
I would give it about the same. It was all right. I like the last one a little bit better.
Jurassic Park, the one in 2015, definitely was a 10 out of 10. This one's 7.5. I suggest y'all go see it, but now we're on our way home. We gotta get back to work. It was a nice little break because we've honestly been grinding on Monarch all week, so we need a little break. And it's good to kind of take a break, know when to take a break, because sometimes you get overworked, and then, I'm not even gonna lie, I felt kind of bad taking a break, but have to listen to yourself. You cannot overwork yourself. You need to enjoy life. That's, oh, a little squirrel. But you need to enjoy life. And yeah, so now we're just walking back to the car, so we'll see y'all at home for dinner. All right, y'all, we have been working long and hard on Monarch. We have filled almost all the orders. There's still a little bit of inventory left, so if you haven't already, make sure you click the link down below and check us out, because we only have a little bit left, and we will be having another launch very soon, and then we'll be having the biggest launch of the year for Christmas. So make sure you're following us on monarch_CS. I'll have that down there as well. But for dinner, I really didn't want to cook, so I just threw on some Gardein. I think they're like chicken scallopini little like patty things, and with those I'm just having some sweet potato fries that I made from like a fresh sweet potato that I got from the grocery store. But yeah, that's pretty simple for dinner tonight. Never done this type of video, so if you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel and turn on that post notification so you can see all the videos. And then there will be some more. Oh goodness, honey, are you okay?
Yep, sorry.
And then there will be some more vegan videos coming your way. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See y'all in the next one. Love you. Bye.